In this video, I'll put you through on how to delete files from OneDrive Mobile for iPhone. Note that once that file is deleted, it's deleted across all other devices. Alright, take for example, you delete it from OneDrive Mobile. When you log in with your PC on the web or even on the desktop app, you are not going to see the file again. Let's just get right into it.
First, get to your OneDrive app and tap on it. As the app opens, get to the file you want to delete. Okay, so I will scroll until I get to the file I want to delete in this case. Okay, these files with the dates August 16. The two files there, I want to delete them. First is to long press on one of the files. Okay, touch on one of them and keep your finger there. You can see it has been selected automatically. Okay, so once the selection is done, tap on other files you want to delete along. But if it's just this file you want to delete, after the selection, as you long press on it, tap on delete icon. But I want to delete two files here, so I'll tap on this checkbox again under the first one I selected. Okay, you can see that circle, those circles have been selected. All right, then the next step is to tap on the delete button. Okay, is being highlighted by an illustration. All right, on tapping on that delete icon, you will see this notification: delete these two items. Two items are captured because I selected two items. If you selected three, it will be three items. If you selected one, it will be one item. So I will tap on delete button, and these files are being deleted. Note that when a file is deleted, it is placed in the trash folder. Okay, so it's not permanently deleted from that app immediately. So you need to get to the trash, folder if you want to delete the file permanently. So you scroll down or you scroll up until you see this human icon at the top left. Tap on it. On tapping on it, you will see your email address and some details about the account, including recycle bin and settings. Our interest is to get to recycle bin, so tap on that. Then once you get to this recycle bin, you will see the files you deleted that have been here for less than 30 days. Okay, so if it gets to 30 days, they will be deleted automatically. Okay, so now what you need to do, we want to delete them manually on our own permanently. Tap on the select icon at the top right. Then start selecting the file. So I will tap on this circle and tap on the other circle for the two to be selected. Then I will tap on the delete button at the bottom center. Okay, then this notification says delete these two items. They will be permanently deleted from OneDrive. Say delete, tap on delete, and they are gone forever.
I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button the one that points up like this so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. And leave a comment if you have questions to ask. Ask me in the comment section. You can check out this video to learn more on OneDrive. Thank you and see you some other time.